What is going on with the Lakewood Ranch real estate market? Hey, it's Sean Reddy of the Keller Williams Reddy Group, and each and every week we take a dive into the numbers that drive the Lakewood Ranch real estate market and what are the trends telling us in terms of, hey, we're moving further into a buyer's market, we're moving out of it. All of this to help you as a potential buyer or seller, maybe you're already in the market, determine the best moves for you to make as you embark on what is a challenging for many real estate market in Lakewood Ranch. So first thing that we're going to look at is we're going to see how many homes came onto the market in the last 7 days, how many homes came off the market in the last 7 days, what that means, and then we'll kind of take a deeper dive into these stats to determine, again, if you're in the market as a buyer or seller or both, how to navigate it. All right, so first, coming on the market, 100 on the dot new listings enter the market in the last 7 days in Lakewood Ranch. 16 fell out of contract, thus re-entered the market. So you have a total of 116 homes that came to the market in the last 7 days. Opposite of that, 7 listings expire. They ran their entire term with their real estate agent and just came off the market. 77 homes went under contract, so that's 84. 5 temporarily withdrew. 7 less temporarily withdrew from the market. And 33 just flat out canceled their listing. So between the expired, the temporarily off the market, withdrawn, and the canceled, add in the ones that actually successfully went under contract, that's 129 homes that came off the market. So 116 entered, 129 came off. So net 13 less homes this week than last week in Lakewood Ranch on the market. All right, so let's take a deeper dive into, first I want to look at these 100 homes that sold and closed in the last 7 days. And let's just see how they did. So from a stat standpoint, 100 reached the closing table, hooray, successfully sold. And these homes closed anywhere from $210,000 up to $2.85 million. You might be wondering, 210. I do include condos and townhomes and villas, oh my, in here, as well as the single family homes. So 210 to 2.85 million, that's an average of 677, median of 555. These homes spent as much as 270 days on the market before they reached contract, but an average of 75 days and a median of 54. So median tells most of the story for me, at least. So that's a median market time of just shy of 2 months from debut to going under contract. Now, these homes closed anywhere from 76% of original asking price up to 100% of original asking price, for an average of 96, a median of 97% of original asking price. All right, backing out of here. Remember, if it closed this week, it went under contract at least probably a month ago. So let's take a look at the more recent contracts comparatively to see how they did. Now, these homes that just went under contract range anywhere from 239 to 2.775 million. That is a higher average, 755, and a lower median, 583, we'll call it. These spent an average of 85 days on the market and a median of 73. So more recent homes that have gone under contract have spent more time on the market. In fact, the longest was 356 days. Congratulations, you got it done in less than a year. So remember that. Now we're going to step back, look at one more thing here. Let's check out these 100 on the dot new listings that hit the market. Now, these are not going to have, just like the pending sales, I don't have closed prices, but we do have asking prices. These won't obviously have closed prices either, as they just hit the market. We're not really looking at days on market either, although some of these may be relisted with the same agent, but the active days on market max out at 7, as we're just looking at ones that hit the market this week or re-hit the market. So these range anywhere from 95K up to 3.1 million. That's an average of 836 and a median of 699. So there you have it. There's the 10,000 foot view of the Lakewood Ranch real estate market. And Again, this is to help guide your decision making, whether you're buying a home, selling a home, or selling a home to buy another home. As always, want to be a resource for you. So if there's anything that we can do, drop it in the chat. Feel free to send a DM. Again, Sean Reddy of the Keller Williams Reddy Group, and we'll see you next week.